Good Saturday morning, everybody. Weekend, well, the weekend of Christmas, and out here working today. But it's a good day because it's just gonna be me digging today. The other contractor, they've all gone home for the holidays, so it's gonna allow me to get a lot of dirt moved and nobody in my way. Downtown Fort Worth. Let's get inside the machine and get it checked out. Bag dropped off. A lot of people take some things for granted, but I'll tell you what, it's nice having a good place to hang a bag and put a lunchbox. Only thing is, I gotta go back and get my lunchbox. So, go do that. And we'll check our fluids and get it cranked up and warmed up. Okay, well, got the fluids checked and got it cranked up, letting it warm up for a few minutes. Let's go take a look at what I'm gonna be doing today. As you can see where my machine is sitting, this is where I load the trucks out. So, with this being the only machine here, just going to be a lot of handling and rehandling of the material. But all this dirt is going to be cut down to grade over here on the opposite side of the pile. And all this is just going to get transferred to here. So far, this is the only machine that they want to bring over here, and kind of understandable considering how tight it is with the other contractor running in here. But I'll have a little bit more cut to clean up on the bottom, and then all this dirt right here is just going to be transferred over there. So this is going to be my Saturday activity. But the way it is this shotcrete wall. It's going to run along there, along this side, over here, over this way, back this way, this way, this way, this way, this way. It does quite a few dog legs. And all this is the start of a future marina for, I guess, some kind of multi-million-dollar, multi-phase downtown enhancement project on the north end here. So that's what's going to be taking place. And obviously, once all this material is transferred and stacked over here, I will be able to load it out, but that won't be until Wednesday, as after today I'm going to be off for the Christmas holiday. Looking forward to just having some time off, and we'll come back on Wednesday, load trucks out, and continue on. I'm gonna go ahead and get the machine track down in here and start baling dirt. Then I'll get the camera set up inside. I'll probably do some video outside again today, and we'll get some dirt moved. 5.5 hours later, she's all ready for export on Wednesday when we come back from Christmas break. I've got this tier set up a little bit higher, so that way when I start cutting some of this material out and loading it out into the trucks, in between trucks, I can come down here, recast it, build my bench back up, and then once I'm done with this bench, bring myself down, just recast it until I get down to the bottom here. Just gotta get my tripod, and that'll be it for the day. Yeah. They wanted this roughly about 6 feet in depth, 5 to 6 feet, or from the bottom of the wall there down to depth, for them to start drilling again and putting in more of these I don't know, soil nails or whatever it is, but then they'll also shotcrete it. Not quite sure how that takes place, but glad I'm not any part of it. They'll be doing this side eventually and continue along here and that side. So I'll go ahead and get my tripod broke down and call it a day. Merry Christmas, everyone.